when we're talking about responsible watering, we're talking about using the right amount of water in the right place for the right purposes. Most of the time what ends up happening is people will set up a clock or a timer and they'll walk away. And that clock will run no matter what, whether it's raining, whether it's not raining, it'll run. You'll be running spray zones for way too long. Most of the time what we see with watering right now is 50% of outdoor watering is overwatered. It's just simply overwatering. But how do we do that responsibly? Well, to do that responsibly, you have to make sure that the landscape's the right kind of landscape. You have to make sure that you're watering to that landscape and that you're watering the right amount. So Smart Rain technology solves all that. When we set that system up, now we're looking at what kind of plant type we have, what kind of soil type we have, what kind of root depth we have, what kind of slope we have, and all the elements that we need to know about what kind of watering that landscape needs. Now the next question is how much water is coming onto that landscape. Because stopping when it rains is great, but stopping because the roots have water is significantly better. So we use that system where ET tells us how much water is leaving the ground, and then MAD tells us where the water's at in the ground. So we combine those two and we say, did it rain? We go back 2 days. Did it rain enough the last 2 days to make sure the ground is wet now, so we don't have to turn the system on for maybe another day? And then we recheck, and we actually check every hour. So when we talk about exact data, we're talking very exact data. And when you do it right, you can have a system that doesn't run for a month. I mean, there were systems in Florida that ran twice the entire month of June because there was enough moisture in the ground. It didn't rain the entire month of June, but it rained enough in the month of June that they're maintaining that moisture level in the ground. And so our system was able to say, we don't need to add any more to this particular landscape. So we take all the elements that it takes to do responsible watering, and it's all taken care of by our system. So now nobody else has to think about it. The system takes care of it for them.